This week I'm coming to you from my home studio. As in a lot of places around the world, ACG is also working from home at this time. But that certainly hasn't stopped the flow of Azure news and use. With my co-hosts here behind me, I have three interesting pieces of Azure news I'll share. Azure Private Link reaches general availability for a bunch of services, Python 3.8 support for Azure Functions, and a new premium tier for event grids now in preview. You're watching Azure This Week, a show recorded from a secret location in the Australian countryside, just outside Alexandra in Victoria, off the Maroondah Highway. Azure Private Link was announced in preview back in September 2019. It is a service that ensures your data within Azure does not pass over the public internet. Private Link provides private connectivity from a virtual network to Azure Platform as a Service or PaaS, customer-owned or Microsoft partner services. This is important for many corporations to both comply with internal security policies and to meet public certification standards. The service is now generally available for a large range of services on Azure, including storage, SQL database, Cosmos DB, Event Hub, Event Grid, and a whole bunch more. Version 3.8 of Python was released in October 2019 and is now finally fully supported in Azure Functions. While that is a great step towards parity, the real bonus is that the tooling for Visual Studio Code, Azure CLI, and PowerShell have all been updated too. The new features with this release include bring your own storage, enabling you to decouple model deployments from the inferencing logic, added support for popular libraries like OpenCV, XGBoost, LightGBM, detailed guidance for deploying PyTorch and TensorFlow models. The update is now generally available. Azure Event Grid is a single service for managing routing of all events from any source to any destination. It's a service that is meant to abstract the infrastructure for delivering messages between a large number of services and applications. This could be microservices, serverless applications, or other automation scenarios. There is now a premium tier for Event Grid in preview, which provides these additional capabilities: performance guaranteed reserved capacity, additional security features, additional SLAs for your critical workloads, adjustable limits. What that means is for you to find out, because I have no idea. Sounds important though, and premium. That is all from this secret bunker edition of the show. I'll be back in a week's time with more Azure snacks for your consumption. As we say on the A Cloud Guru team, when all of the filming, lighting, and scripting falls to the least qualified person on the team, seek and you shall cloud. So see you next week, and keep listening to the experts, Cloud Gurus.